Okay, ready, set, blow! Go, spider! Faster! Aww! First, we need our racing spiders. Add a silly face. Glue for the legs. 8-legged monster. Boo! The monster's got bendy legs. Creepy and cute. Tracks ready. Start to finish. This is the coolest race ever. Ooh, paper cones time. Nice and pointy. Orange here. Yellow there. Looks delicious, like candy corn. A fun contrast with your witch hat. Cool! For the game board, purple paint. Spooky webs. And sneaky spiders. The board's ready. Now we need rings. Big loops in exciting colors. Green, yellow, orange, and purple. Yes, right on the candy corn. Totally spooky fun. Clay balls? Clay spiders sound exciting too. With 8 colorful legs. 8 rainbow legs. They are easy to bend. Rainbow Spider Squad. Ready for a spooky game? Sure, blindfold makes it more fun. But first, we need a scary giant web. Great, let's play. Blindfold on. Uh-oh, can't see a thing. Where is it? Ah, got it! Right in the middle! Yay! Your turn. You nailed it! Enough with the spiders. The pumpkins gotta play too. The ghosts are joining the pumpkins. Ooh, how spooky cute! Halloween tic-tac-toe. Who's gonna win this time? Yay! I win! This bottle is too plain. Give it some cool colors. Here comes the shake, like a maraca party. Googly eyes, silly tongue. These pins look hilarious. Okay, you go first.